Welcome back to the vlog, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Put your seatbelt on. For real. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. We're heading to Meijer to go get some groceries, do a little grocery haul, and we're doing a full day of eating, a full day of slaying. Nice sunglasses. I mean, they actually kind of look like very high fashion.
I can pull almost anything off.
Oh, yeah.
I can.
Fashionable.
I just know it.
Fashionable Ken. I'm back from traveling. I'm back to eating normal. So we're gonna use this week to de-bloat, which basically just do the same thing you always do. Back to routine. That's what it comes down to. So we're gonna go restock. I gotta go get some groceries. We're gonna go get our staples that I've been eating. High protein, high vibes. As always, gotta get some berries for the kids. Love getting my Laughing Cow cheese. This still has a good 2 grams of protein per wedge. Not that that's crazy, but if you're ever making a sandwich or something, this is always worth putting on. These are so ungodly expensive now. However, per stick, 6 grams of protein, 4.5 fat. Again, something that like during my day, if I'm ever kind of running behind on food or protein specifically, need a little bit of fat, these are really good to have. I personally like the regular, and Wyatt likes the honey brown sugar.
So good. Also $13.
That's what I said. I was like, I don't know when they got so expensive, but we're gonna get the one. You know how some girls are passenger princesses? Well, I'm like a non-cart pushing princess. I will always find my way out of pushing the cart. Ever since Wyatt and I started dating, he's always the cart pusher, aren't you?
Yep. And when the cart of stuff gets back into the house, she also disappears.
It's so loud in here. It kind of sounds like someone has their jackhammer and they're like, Okay, come hither. When you guys are in the bacon section, there's 2 things you want to look for leaner bacon. Number 1, uncured, no sugar. Great, step 1 if you kind of still like the bacon taste. The other options are turkey bacon, also ham, and then chicken bacon. This is my favorite. Why it got me on this? Alfresco. It's so good. Macros, literally for 1 slice, 1.5 fat, 5 grams of protein. So you can have 4 of these and you're already at 20 grams of protein. Math.
92.8 or 96.4?
Whatever's cheaper. I usually need a little bit more fat, so honestly, between 96.4 and 92.8, Laura always knows what she's doing. Shout out to Laura. I used to get these all the time back when I lived in Ohio, but they're John Soul's Food steak fajita strips. You just put them in the microwave, which like, if you think that's kind of gross, too bad. Because this is easy on the go, really great macros, great option. Easy way to also switch up your protein if you get sick of chicken, sick of lean beef. Okay, so I love Banza pasta, mostly because you get the protein, carbs, and fat, you know, whatever, cool, okay. But I just cross-compared, the macros are literally the same, less fat, a little bit more carb, only 1 gram difference of protein. This one is gonna be 345, this one 239. So in that case, this is when you can always double check labels and make sure you're getting the most bang for your buck, and also realize that most brands are really the same. One of my secret life hacks to protein, Greek yogurt. Not just any Greek yogurt, Oikos Greek yogurt. 15 grams of protein per single yogurt, 0 fat, and like maybe 12 carbs. 7. That's crazy. Oh, I know, I'm just scaring the shit out of him. Do you want to come home with me?
Okay, you look like a psycho.
Sorry, I'm filming.
Right, yeah. First time ever.
We just put all the groceries away. Now we are heading to the gym, Wyatt and I. Maddox is down for a nap. I'm gonna have 2 chocolate rice cakes before I go. Oh, look, 2 perfectly.
Awesome.
So I'm gonna have those before we go, get some water, and go hit an upper body workout. I have push pop today from the 6 weeks to strength challenge. I'm gonna probably make Wyatt do it with me. I also did get 2 new quenchers from Alani Nu. Obviously you guys know I'm with Hydro Jug, so I'm not gonna sit here and act like these are my like go-to bottles, but I will say I do like the design. Like you have a little bit of like a carrying strap. When you do open them, there's like a pop-up internal like straw mechanism, which is pretty nice. But they're just a plastic bottle, so you're not gonna like keep things cool. But it does have like the little kind of like time of day to like drink your water, kind of make like a water goal, like, you know, whatever. The last one though is like 9 p.m. And I'm like, how many people actually are drinking water still at 9 p.m.? Like, I don't know, I feel like my liquid intake is pretty much done by like 7, 8. Like I don't drink that much after, but super cute. They are in stock right now. Code DESBY as always. Let's go ahead and eat our rice cakes. Go work out. Keep killing it.
5 minutes later.
Just finished up lunch. I added some cream cheese with my Rao's pasta sauce, a little bit of those stick fajitas, and then some Banza pasta and just elbows. Mixing it together, so good. The total macros for that meal: 43 protein, 40 carbs, 18 fat, and I wish I knew the fiber, but I know there was at least 5 grams of fiber in it as well. That's what I really love about using like protein pastas. They aim with more fiber. Definitely still need quite a few big meals, but I think I might add on like a banana or an apple to this. Get those carbs up even more. Fats are good and protein is fine. Just got done recording and filming some stuff. I'm eating a protein bar. I just have a bunch of these left from Costco. They're True bars. It's so good for sure. They're like plant-based, not that it really matters, but whatever, they're super good. I like to eat them when I can, when it like sounds appetizing to me. Probably gonna have another big meal tonight, then a few more snacks. Not the most ideal eating day for me, but also just a reminder that not every day is gonna be perfect. Some days are gonna look really nutritious. Some days you're gonna have all the options, and other days you're just gonna eat what you can to fill your macros because you're maybe running around or busy, and that's totally okay. So just remember, it's normal not to be perfect. Perfection is boring. I'm eating my last big meal of the day. 32 protein, 35 carb, 13 fat. Just rice, beef, a little bit of seasoning, and that's it. I feel like as much as sometimes meals seem repetitive or boring, when you're eating for not just performance, but also just like digestion, sometimes it's gonna be boring. The easiest foods for your body to digest are going to be those that are repetitive to eat. Right now, I have a lot of leeway with what I eat because I'm not prepping, I'm bulking, I'm eating good. But when it comes to the future, when I do start to prep or cut, whatever we end up doing, I'm going to definitely be eating a little bit more plain Jane, and you guys will definitely see the evolution of that. I finished eating this. I just had to fix a whole blowout diaper. I don't even know how I'm eating right now. The kids, it's ready for bed, so we'll catch you in a minute. I just got done showering. The boys are in bed. I did a little 5-minute cleanup. Now I have to work a little bit more. I'm just gonna do it on the couch. I'm gonna play Vanderpump in the background. I still have 100 carbs, 2 fat, 18 protein. So what I'm planning to do is do a vanilla Greek yogurt, and then I'm also probably gonna do cinnamon toast crunch cereal. So number one, good, like yogurt, a little bit of dairy. I personally like tolerate dairy good, so for you, dairy might not be like your first option, but just what I'm gonna do tonight. Easy, nice, nutritional, no fat, 7 carb, 15 protein, the yogurts we got this morning. And then for the Cinnamon Toast Crunch, it's nice, easy before bed because it's quick digesting. It doesn't just like sit in my stomach like a sweet potato would. So that's my plan for the night. I'm gonna go work, let's finish this up. And I swear, every time you guys get full day eating from me, you're gonna be like, that was completely different than last time, because every day is truly different. You guys want me to get you some milk? Good morning. We have the bounce house going this morning, so if you hear it in the background, that's what's going on. I'm just making breakfast for myself and the kids. I'm doing raspberries and blueberries for the kids. I'm gonna also make them eggs and some veggie bacon that they really love. My stepdad's vegetarian, so we've had this in my household since my mom and stepdad got married like 20 some years ago or whatever, so I just kind of continue to pass this on. No reason that it's vegetarian, it's just, it's good, whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and do some ham steaks this morning. So per full steak, this whole thing is literally 28 protein, 4 carb, 4 fat, half a steak. So half of one of these is 14 protein, 2 carb, 2 fat. So again, really great, easy way to just get some solid protein. I mean, 28 grams of protein for half a steak, that's like, for a whole steak, that's crazy. I'm probably gonna do a little bit of egg whites too, or I'll just do some oatmeal because that might be just like super protein heavy. I try not to have more than like 35 to 40 grams of protein per meal, just for my body to be able to digest it and use it. So we'll see, but I'm gonna finish up with taking you guys through my breakfast and then we'll wrap up this vlog. I hope it was helpful and give you a few ideas for protein. I don't wanna come across as like, oh, it's not hard, but it's just things that you might just not think of when you're at the store that you're like, oh, that would add up really fast. So I hope that this just maybe opened your eyes the next time you walk through the store and you're able to have some new ideas. All right, you guys, this vlog is officially coming to an end. I found myself recently missing my long hair.
Am I crazy for that?
You tell me, please. Tell me, no, I love your short hair, Des. I just got done showering and wanted to wrap up this vlog. I hope this was helpful. I love sharing like full day eating and stuff. Sometimes I just feel like it feels repetitive to me. Like I'm like, oh, are you guys like annoyed, you know, another full day of eating, or is this like fun, you know, whatever. So, you know, drop your 2 cents below. What do we want to see? What do we want to do together? Every week is a journey with me. You know, I love just going off of a whim of what do I want to create this week? What is fun for me? So if you guys are wondering what I just put in my hair, I use my Divi Scalp Serum. I haven't been super consistent using this recently, but when I was postpartum with Archie from May to about December, I used it every single day religiously, and it helped so much with my postpartum hair growth in my temples. And if you continue to use this all the time, this shit works for sure. So make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, come hang out with me every Wednesday. We always find ourselves ending our journey in my bathroom, but it's my favorite time of day. I love reconnecting with you guys and just being like, let's just slow down. So for 1 second, let's just take a moment of gratitude for whatever it is in your life right now that you're thankful for. One thing I'm thankful for is, number 1, my home. I'm so proud of my house. I love my house. I love that I get to build my family in this house. Number 2, I love my app. I love my BFit members. I love what DBFT has evolved into. I love that you guys trust me in your health and wellness journey. And number 3, I absolutely love that I just get to be myself every single day. And that's my job. How cool is that to just be you? It's so fun, and I'm just so honored to do that. So for those of you that choose to take time, hang out with me, you're seen. So stay tuned. Maybe we'll do a fun giveaway next week's video or something, but I'm gonna head downstairs. I got some more work to do, and we'll wrap up this vlog. I will see you next Wednesday.